Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data. Export a VCF or backup in Google Contacts so you can restore if needed. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and confirm your Google password. This avoids interruptions during account changes. Now open your Contacts app, tap the menu, and verify which account is shown. Make sure Google Contacts are visible so you remove the right entries. Next, go to Settings, Accounts, Google to access sync and deletion options. This is where you begin removing synced contact data. You now take the middle steps carefully. First, disable Contacts Sync under Settings, Accounts, Google so changes stay local and don't reappear. Then open the Contacts app, filter to only show your Google account, tap Select All and Delete. This removes device copies. Alternatively, remove the entire Google account from Settings Accounts to delete all associated synced contacts from the phone at once. If you prefer cloud removal, open the Google Contacts app. Select the items and delete there, so the changes propagate to your device. Finish by clearing the Contacts app cache, and if needed, app data to ensure no local remnants remain. Once done, check the Google Contacts web interface to verify everything was removed. This prevents sync from restoring deleted entries. Make sure to re-enable sync only after confirming the cloud is clean. If deleted contacts reappear, re-log into your Google account, refresh sync, and inspect labels in Google Contacts. Sometimes contacts are grouped under other labels, causing unexpected restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.